Good afternoon. Today is Sunday, February 2nd, 2020. My name is Ricardo Sandoval. This video, excuse me, is for week 3 of Biology 230. Today I will be dissecting this chicken wing. I will be showing you, rather, on the chicken wing what is known as a synovial joint. A synovial joint on the human body is a joint that is freely movable. So it can extend, it can flex, it can abduct, it can adduct, and it can do the combination that is called circumduction. On this chicken wing, as you can see, it's just this piece. There is no wing portion that would normally form the synovial joint. So I'll do my best to explain things as I move along, but there'll be no way for me to show you extension and flexion on the wing itself. But a synovial joint, however, is present. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and start the dissection of the wing. I'm going to use my scalpel to remove the skin. Now, while I'm cutting the skin away, what does characterize a synovial joint, besides the fact that it's really movable, these are my scissors, is that there is a capsule. I'm just going to put the skin here on a paper towel that has what's called synovial fluid in the capsule, and it's this capsule that lubricates the joint and allows it to move freely without knocking bones, so to speak, without the bones hitting each other during the various movements that a synovial joint can do. The synovial fluid is specific to synovial joints. No other joints, so fibrous joints and cartilaginous joints, do not have synovial fluid. Okay, so the skin is off on this portion of the wing, and so of course we have the muscle here. These little silvery bits, if you can see them, I believe are tendons. They're kind of what holds the muscle to the bone, so that in movement, the muscle itself just doesn't fall off. Normally, we'd be able to see a blood vessel, but you can kind of see that bit of blood right there. And if we look closely here, these little bits, this is my synovial joint. This is a ball and socket joint, pretty much very similar to what we would find in the hip. So if this were attached to the wing, you would see the synovial capsule here with synovial fluid, and I'd be able to show you flexion, extension, circumduction, things of that sort. Also characteristic of a synovial joint is that it has cartilage, also which functions in the mode of protection, and I believe these bits here are the cartilage that's cushion the bone, and there should also be some cartilage. Some cartilage right here, just around the joint, here and here. And again, that is a synovial joint, and this concludes my dissection of the chicken wing. Again, synovial joint, ball and socket joint, there would normally be the capsule with fluid here, but since there's no wing, well, I can't show you that. But if there were flexion, I'd bend it down this way. If there were extension, I would just straighten it out. All right, thank you very much.